Hey up everybody, and welcome to episode 3 of my weekly mystery ingredient challenge, as voted for by you. Now, after last week went so well, I am absolutely terrified what is under this cloth. There is a large part of me that just wants to turn this off and never speak of this again. But a deal's a deal. You voted, so I've got to cook. If you fancy taking part, head to patreon.com/chef@home and you can vote on next week's mystery ingredients. I am 100% stalling for time. I just need to get on with it now, I think. So, Shit with Sugar on, episode 3. How are Right. Lift for the front, lift for the back. Why am I asking thee? I'm not going to know the answers till after I posted this, am I? You tit. Sod it. Oh, that's not on. Oh, hell. That's not on, guys. Oh, what am I going to do with that? So, we've got the combination of cream eggs, Reese's Pissing Pieces, peanuts. What's the thing with nuts? What is going on with peanuts? I've only done 3, they've been on twice. The scary bit is, they're the sensible options, because now I've got streaky bacon and pork. Can I phone a friend? Right, 10 minutes. Let me think, / pray. I've had my 10 minutes, and I'm thinking, well, to be perfectly honest, first thing I thought was fuck off. But I'm already at home because lockdown, so that's buggered that, hasn't it? I think we're going to end up with a first this week, and we're going to be veering into the dessert way of thinking, or maybe even a brunch type thing. Honestly, the battle of ideas that's going on in my head, it's like when you mix Yakult and Dettol. I think I'm going to go with a brunch type thing, and I'm going to do American style pancakes and do bacon and egg using the cream egg. Think of some way of jazzing that up a bit, but to start in it. Then I'm going to do a really small dice of a pork loin, try to make that like a candied pork, put that in a crepe, losing confidence just saying it out loud. Try to make the peanut into like a flapjack type thing, and then top that with, as best I can, melted down Reese's Pieces. I reckon that's the best I'm going to get here. You've proper done a number on me this week. Well done. Bollocks to it. Got a plan. I'll just get on with it. Grab my pans and stuff. We'll get cracked on. Right, I've grabbed my pans and bits, and the 5 larder ingredients that I've settled on are sugar, flour, eggs, cream and oats. Deep breath. 3, 2, 1. Need a klaxon or something, don't I? So the downside of picking 3 different components, even though I know totally struggle to get one dish done in the time limit, I was like, yeah, it's not hard enough as it is, let's do 3. So the downside of that is there's a lot of stuff to get done in a very short space of time. So I've got my pork on at the back here, the bacon's in the oven. I want to get the pork on straight away, so I need to get that caramel going really quickly. And the bacon's in just to try and get it crispy. Alright, with some sugar. Try not to burn it, because that pan will not be fun to wash. Right, can ignore that for a little bit. Pancake mix. So this is purely by eye. Should be self-raising flour, eggs, bit of melted butter and milk, but I don't have enough ingredients for that. So I've got the flour and egg bit, that's fine. I'm going to use a bit of the cream to try and get round it a bit. Hope it works. If not, I'm buggered. I'm going to use the same batter for both the American pancakes and the crepes. After I've got the American ones done, I'm going to water it down a little bit. Well, a lot actually. Alright, that's that done for now. Off you fuck. Right. There. Is this cheating? Doing the dishes like a trio? Nah, fuck it, it's my little game, I'll do what I like. Oh, well, there's your takeaway from this one today. Put on your hob or you look like a knob. That doesn't actually look that bad. What's the other weird shit I ain't done yet? Oh yeah. they're still in the wrappers as well. Right, so I'm going to slice them in half and then I'm going to put them in the oven just at the last minute to get them melted a bit. You need a smaller gazunder or a bigger pan, I can't make my mind up. That's a gazunder, it goes under it. Hey, not bad, that's one fluffy pancake. Crepe's done. Need to keep an eye on that bloody pork because that's going to turn right quick, that. Fucking hell, that was 6 minutes. Jesus. Right, 4 left. What have I got to do? Oh yeah, pissing flapjack thing, innit? Oh, I didn't realise there were the friggin' multicoloured ones. That changes the game. Peanuts in. Right, so I've mashed up those nuts a bit. Syrup and some oats. While that's cooking. Oh, chocolate can go in the oven. I'm genuinely struggling to decide whether what I'm doing here is a little bit of genius or a little bit insane. Pop these on the tray as well, get them warming through. Bacon out. Oh, I really don't have long left now. Really don't have long left. Right, that's my little weird flapjack. Fucking hell, that's all. Don't collapse, don't collapse, don't collapse, don't collapse, don't collapse. Oh yeah. Bastard, you collapsed. Right, you just don't make the cut then. Fuck you. Actually seeing this on the plate makes me realise it's friggin' stupid. Nick some of that syrup, try and moisten that one a bit. Needs some chocolate, doesn't it? I thought they were going to be the chocolate ones that melted. Didn't friggin' look. Right, get. Oh, what the fuck is that? 9 minutes and 53 seconds to make that. Fucking hell. Maybe if I'd turn it. Nah, still looks shite. This egg and bacon pancake thingy don't look that bad, but the rest of it. I'm not sure I want to taste this. Not because it looks too good to eat, it looks shite. But curiosity killed the cat and all that. Crepe, good. Caramelised pork, not for me. I was about to say, if I take the pork out of the equation it'd be good, then it'd just be a pancake with bloody syrup, wouldn't it? Alright, let's have a look at me. Reese's Pieces bloody flapjack. It's chewy. Do you know what, if that was the ones I thought it was going to be, that would have worked. The chocolate in it would have finished that bit off nicely. That one, not overly alarming. Pancake's good, cream, egg and bacon works. Oh, but bleeding out, makes your teeth hurt. Well, that was certainly interesting. As a trio of things, it fits the brief. It is a trio of things. But whether the things that work together, not for me, no. On their own, with a bit of work, they'd be half decent. Apart from that pork shite, that's going straight in the bin. Would I order it if I saw it on the menu? Not a cat in hell's chance, no. Well, all I can say now to you lovely lot is thank you very much for putting me through this. I'll ask Mrs. Howe again to officially adjudicate, but if my suspicions are correct, it'll not be a winner. I think that is 2-1 viewers. If you want to vote on what random shit I end up cooking next week, head over to patreon.com/chef@home or look for the link in the description below. I think I'm gonna go crying to my pillow and yeah, cheers cock, ta-da.